Okay, now this is too funny. They just brought my truck up here. They just brought my truck up here from the dealership. I'm picking this up. I'm not kidding, guys. Truck is running. I'm at the dealership. I'm picking it up. I'm picking it up. I'm picking it up. No dash. I'm leaving it on. I'm getting in my truck. I have no dash. God bless you, General Motors. I'm getting in my truck after being in a loaner for over a month. Can you believe this? Can you believe this? So they told me my truck is ready. All ready to go. They just pulled it up to the service, from the service bay for me to hop into. Service technician just came out here to look at this because nobody can believe it. I have no dashboard. All right, everybody's over there working on it, trying to figure out what's going on with the dash. And me, I'm going back to my loaner. Maybe I should do a review on that. That's actually been a pretty good loaner. This is a Buick. Probably talk about that. This Buick has actually not been too bad. This Envision. Anyway, all right, back into the loaner. Service has got the truck again.